Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might change the way you think about gardening. Are you tired of spending loads of money on mulch every season? Well, I've got some exciting alternatives for you. We're going to explore some fantastic options that not only save you money, but also benefit your garden in amazing ways. So, let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about why people use mulch. Mulch is great for retaining moisture, suppressing weeds, and insulating plant roots. But did you know there are natural alternatives that can achieve similar results? Let's discover them. Number 1 on our list is compost. Yes, good old compost. It's nature's way of recycling. Compost not only enriches the soil, but also acts as a wonderful mulch substitute. Spread a layer of compost around your plants, and you'll be amazed at how it retains moisture and keeps those pesky weeds at bay. Next up, we have grass clippings. Instead of bagging up those clippings after mowing your lawn, use them in your garden. Grass clippings make an excellent mulch alternative, and they're absolutely free. Just spread a thin layer around your plants to suppress weeds and nourish your soil. Moving on to another fantastic option, leaves. Yep, those beautiful autumn leaves can be put to good use. Collect fallen leaves, shred them if you can, and spread them around your garden beds. Not only will this mimic the natural forest floor, but it'll also keep your plants happy and healthy. Now, let's talk about a unique alternative: pine needles. If you have pine trees nearby, gather those needles. Pine needles make a wonderful mulch for acid-loving plants, like blueberries, azaleas, and rhododendrons. Plus, they decompose slowly, which means less frequent mulching for you. Lastly, consider using straw or hay as mulch. Straw is great for vegetable gardens, while hay works wonders around fruit trees. Both options are inexpensive and readily available at most gardening centers. Just remember to use organic straw or hay to avoid introducing unwanted chemicals into your garden. So there you have it, 5 fantastic alternatives to traditional mulch that will save you money and benefit your garden. Experiment with these options and see which ones work best for you. Not only will you be reducing waste, but you'll also be creating a healthier, more sustainable garden. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!